So it's not as anabolic, but still anabolic. So these are Remington James's anabolic cookies. I'm making these. I just decided to record right now though, but yeah, one thing I noticed is that he doesn't really cook things properly. I mean, I don't either, but like he just got a whisk recently, I think, if you've been watching his older videos. But yeah, you should actually mix the dry ingredients first and then mix the wet ingredients after. And then also you should bake them right away. I mean, you can leave them in the fridge, but I don't know the science behind it, but apparently like baking soda reacts instantly. Okay. Yeah, I already mixed all the dry ingredients here, by the way, because I didn't record at the beginning. Yeah, once it's nice and combined with everything, then you can mix the wet ingredients in. Man, these smell freaking good. Like, he was legit about putting the peanut butter in. Not the peanut butter, the PB2 or PB Fit, whatever, peanut butter powder. Yeah, I know he likes Oikos, but I just go with the Chobani non-fat plain Greek yogurt. It's basically the same thing. He uses 92 grams of egg whites. Oh crap, whatever. Yeah, so he put vanilla in it, but I use vanilla protein powder, and I put a little too many egg whites, so it's already getting kind of liquidy, so I don't need to put any more. Honestly, it smells really good, so I don't think vanilla flavor will do anything. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this whole bar of Lilies and chop it up. I'm gonna throw it in there. When I add this, the total calories of the whole thing is actually 968. I don't remember exactly how much chocolate he put in, but whatever. Alright, I chopped up all that chocolate. This is actually half of it. I'm gonna mix this up first and see. Oh, crap. Yeah, don't be an idiot like me and lick the knife after you chop it. Yeah, I noticed with these protein type of cookie recipes, they're usually like really sticky and stuff, so honestly, I like double wrap my parchment paper for like extra protection. Because I put only 1 scoop of protein powder, this only has like 76 grams of protein for the whole dish. So it's not as anabolic, but still anabolic. Yeah, so I made like 12 of these, but I actually ate like, I don't know, like 10 of them already. So I realized I actually put 1 less scoop of protein powder than he did in the video, but honestly, they're still pretty good. Like, I'm gonna show you like one, like look, it looks legit. And I put a little more chocolate than he did because I used the Lily's bar one. I used like half of it. And I also put a little bit of salt, so I think it added a little bit to the flavor. I'm not sure if it's because I only use 1 scoop of protein powder or not, but I've been baking protein type of cookies for a while, and they always get this like cakey type of texture. Not that I'm complaining. Yeah, like that. Great recipe.